So hello guys. So let's talk about Lover tooltip in iOS. Today let's talk about tooltip in iOS. So suppose we want to show Lover tooltip on the tap of a menu button. This tooltip will be a dynamic hide. This tooltip will be a dynamic hide. So first of all, we're gonna create this command line which have a Swift GUI view, and this is a Lover tooltip. Lover tooltip, which have a create on this Lover tooltip view. And first of all, we're going to create on this structure, and suppose we're going to create on the same structure copy, and we're going to use of structures. So this is a Lover tooltip. So this is a menu. So this is a menu tooltip. This is a menu tooltip view, and so we're going to create on this text. This is a dynamic text. We're going to create on this string, which is type of a string, and we're going to create on this is divider properties. We're going to show on the show and hide divider on your event. So divider, which is type of bool and is equal to false. And we're going to create on this layout, handling on this layout. We're going to create on the vstack, and we're going to create on this text. So bind on, so text, we're going to bind on this text, and we're going to apply on this text properties. Suppose we're going to apply on this text on this properties. So font is headlines, and we're going to apply on this properties bold, font label is bold, and we're going to apply on this properties foreground color. Suppose this is a black color, only the foreground color is black, and we're going to apply on this dividers. We're going to apply on this condition. Suppose this we're going to apply on the divider conditions, and if is divider true, so we're going to show on this divider. Shown a divider, we're going to create on this instance of divider, and we're going to create on this another model on this data on this handle on this tooltip model. We're going to create on this structure. So tooltip data, which is conform of identifiable protocol, and we're going to create on this data. So var text. So in this data we're going to handle on this data. So text, which is type of string, and we're going to create on this var divider, which is type of bool, and we're going to create on this bool, and we're going to use the id, which is type of string. We're going to create on this id, which is type of string, and is equal to uuid dot string. Okay, and we're going to create on this handlers on this data. Suppose we're going to create on this state property, state private var show tooltip, which is type of bool and is equal to false. In this property is false, and we're going to create on this array data. So var items, which is type of array of menu item, array of menu tooltip, sorry, menu data. So tooltip data, we're going to create this tooltip data. So we're going to create a tooltip data, which is type of tooltip and is equal to array of tooltip data. So array of tooltip data, we're going to create on this divider, and this axis on the so shift UI is best, and we're going to create on this next tooltip. Suppose this is we're going to create on this next tooltip. Suppose this which have a next tooltip is, so we're going to create on next tooltip is, and divide is sorry, and is true, divider is true, and we're going to copy on this tooltip. Suppose we're going to copy on this tooltip, and so shift is best, and this is a tooltip is super, which has add-ons multiple strings, and we can apply copy, and we can use paste. So another tooltip is add-on. So tooltip, and this is a Swift UI framework. We're gonna add on this next string. We're gonna create on the same content, copy on this same content, and tooltip is so shift UI. So this is a open view, open tooltip. Sorry, height divider. Suppose this fourth is height divider, and we can show on this string is height divider. Height divider shown on this string. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to apply this height divider. Fourth on this property is height divider. Okay, and we're going to create on this layout by using geometry reader. So we're going to create on this geometry reader, and we're going to create on this geo in. So geo in, we're going to create on this by using of ZStack. So we're going to create on this color dot. Suppose this is a gray color used on this gray color, and suppose this is a gray color used on this gray color dot opacity. We're gonna apply this 0.6 opacity apply. Suppose this apply on this opacity is 0.6, and we're gonna apply on this dot shadow. Suppose this shadow is 12 apply, 12 shadow on apply, and we're gonna create on this button on a ZStack. So we're gonna apply on this button actions. So this is a show tooltip dot toggle. In this property toggle on and off, we're gonna apply on this image, and in this image we're gonna apply on this property. So in this image we're gonna apply on this property. This is a 3 dot. We're gonna apply on this dot resizable, and we're gonna apply on this dot frame. So we're gonna apply on this dot frame height and width in this image for width, and apply on this 16 height. Okay, and alignment is removed. On this alignment is removed. Okay, and in this, so this is ZStack button is removed, and we're gonna apply on this. So okay, and in this situation by ZStack, so ZStack is, and this is the button. We're gonna apply on this button property dot padding. Suppose this we're gonna apply on dot padding. So not apply on this padding. We're gonna apply on dot frame, and on a button. Button is add not a width. Button not add on this width. And we're gonna apply on this height on this button. So suppose this is the height on this button is geometry dot size. Geo dot size dot height. So multiple divide into 0.0. You can apply this. This is the height on this button 0. Sorry, we're gonna apply on 0.8. So 0.6. We're gonna apply on 0. So 0.8 apply on this height. Alignment is removed, and we're gonna apply on this corner radius on the button dot corner radius. But is 3 dots not apply on this corner radius, but not apply on this corner radius on a 3 dot. Okay, and we're gonna apply on this condition. Suppose this we're gonna apply on this condition is if condition show tooltip otherwise is true. Resume on this application. Show tooltip is true. We're gonna create on this VStack, and in this VStack we're gonna create on this image. Suppose we're gonna add on this image. Add on this image. In this image is lover. We're gonna add on this asset. This is the lower up arrow, and this is the down arrow. So this is the up arrow, and this is the down arrow. You can use of down arrow. Down arrow. This is down arrow. This is the lower tooltip. The down arrow upper. We're gonna apply on dot resizable dot frame. We're gonna apply on this height and width on this image. 16 width and 6 height. This is 16 width and 6 height. Alignment is removed. Alignment on image is removed. Alignment on image is removed. And in this part is image. Add on this image, and we're gonna add on this next VStack. And in this VStack alignment of leading. And suppose this is not a size. Suppose we can add on this alignment is leading. We're gonna apply on this. This is a for each loop. This is a for each loop. So items, and we're gonna add on this item in. We're gonna use of tooltip view model. sorry, tooltip view. Menu, tooltip view, and this is a text. We're gonna assume this is the item dot text, bind on this property, and this is the item dot divider. Item dot divider. Add on this property is item dot divider. We're gonna resume on this applications. So item dot divider, and in this situation, but is we're gonna apply on this vstack dot padding, and we're gonna apply on dot frame. We're gonna apply on this, suppose this is a frame, we're gonna apply on this width 250 width. We're gonna apply only this is 250 width, only applying this 250 width, and this hardcode width only is applied 250 width. Okay, and we're gonna apply on this dot background color. Dot white color, and we're going to apply on this dot background color white color, and we're going to apply the dot corner radius 12.0 corner radius apply. And in this situation, but it's 12.0 corner radius is applied 12.0, and we're going to apply on this vstack offset, on this vstack offset apply. So offset x on y, but if x is not applied on this x condition, this text is center on a, our pop-up, our tooltip shown a center, but it's not applying this y. So we're gonna apply this is a minus, not applying this is a minus. This is our tooltip, not applying this is a minus. So this is a geo dot size dot height, and into multiple. So we're gonna add on this 0.04. Button height is 0.08, and we're gonna button height is 0.08. 0.08 half of 0.04 and plus 90. Plus is 90.0, and in this is a z stack dot ignoring safe area dot all. We're gonna resume on this applications. Okay, run on this applications, press on this sorry, we can use a press on a, suppose this is a situation not handle is a press on a tooltip, and this is shown this tool, but it's not image is down arrow, but it's not image is down arrow, up arrow, sorry, lower is up arrow. We're gonna run this applications, and this is up arrow, but it's not is image is vstack spacing is 0. This is a vstack spacing is 0. We're gonna run this applications, and in this vstack spacing is 0. This is tool tab designing. This is press on this tool tab, and this is a tool tab. Shift is that is tool tab. This is a tool tab designing in this Swift UI. Tool tab designing in Swift UI. So suppose we want to show upper, sorry, lower a tooltip. This is a lower tooltip, and this is a lower tooltip, and on tap of an menu, on tap of an menu button, this tooltip will be a dynamic height. Suppose we're gonna add on this next is, suppose this is a next, add on this array element. So this is a tooltip, and this divider we can copy on the elements. Okay, and this is next, add on this properties. So height divide, but we're gonna add on this, press on this tooltip, run this application, add of one element of. So this is a tooltip, but it's not an tooltip divider, and this is the alignment of leading. So alignment dot leading, but is check on this issue. So tooltip data is true. And in this case match, but is not case in this matching. press on a tooltip. The tooltip is check on this issue, but it's tooltip and it's divider, but it's not shown this height divider. And this tooltip data is next, second is true, and this is true, and this tooltip is false. Right, this is tooltip is false. And command Z we're gonna add on this situation. We're gonna zoom on this applications. Press on the tooltip. So we're gonna check on this problem on this text alignment is leading, and we're gonna resume on this application. This is the alignment of leading tooltip. This is divide, but its alignment is leading. We're gonna add on this another framework. Suppose we're gonna add on this another is, suppose this add on this another, this is tooltip, and so shift UI Risalat Sadiq. Okay, we can add on this another case on add on this another case in this tooltip. We can show on this tooltip. Suppose this tooltip is show. So this is tooltip. Tooltip is dynamic height. This is a tooltip is dynamic. Already, but it's not case on this height. This is the dynamic height on a tooltip. And in this case, suppose this is in case dynamic height. Suppose content is dynamic height, and in this matching on this case, suppose this dynamic height matching on this case 0.4. and this is 0.2, and you're gonna add on this 0.2. so we can use of button height is 0.2, and this is the image's height is 0.4. okay, add on this height on 0.4. but check on this issue 0.8 and 0.6. okay, we're gonna run on this application 0.6. okay, this is the dynamic height and width on this view, dynamic width and height on a view. Suppose in this we're gonna apply on this pop-up, this is a gray color, we're gonna apply on this is a purple color, on the background color is purple. okay, we're gonna resume on the refresh. We're gonna press on this menu tab bar, press on this menu tab bar and show on a pop-up. So this is a tooltip in iOS. Tooltip in iOS. So thank you for watching. If you enjoy my channel and like my video, so consider on a code, and so thanks in considering your applications is tooltip better designing in a iOS.